What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy JC. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit stuff. Welcome back to Good Old Boy Outdoors. Of course, we're outside. Like, subscribe, share. Before I jump, so in that last video, I showed y'all the lawnmower. This video, we're gonna try to get it out. Oh, there's the power lines buzzing. Well, actually, I got a flat tire. Let's run over here. Oh, Kubota. Let's see. It ain't gonna start. Sorry, hold on. Let's go. For all y'all country boys, y'all remember when y'all used to do this? Try to balance the trailer. I'm from the country. I'm from the country and I like it that way. So, big old Ford. Love Fords. Y'all don't know some stuff about Fords. I gotta run up here, get some stuff. Let's just sit down and talk for a minute. Well, this video is about to get more, like, epic. I'm gonna make a video later. I mean, we gotta see if we can get this thing done. See if we can get the lawnmower started. But I just want to sit here and make a little video. I probably won't get the lawnmower started in this video, but I just wanted to say, like, some stuff. I know I'm not that good at filming. I'm not good at much because I'm filming off of an Android phone. And I know these videos ain't very long. They are not very long, and we're not talking about much. So I'm thinking about some stuff. Couldn't get the Kubota started. I was gonna pull the lawnmower out with the Kubota, but it wouldn't start. All I can say. Oh, and also the truck that I've showed on some of these videos will be in probably uh we're probably gonna get it pulled out here in a few weeks. Um we're gonna take it needs a motor, transmission, everything. We're gonna take the stuff out of it and put it in a got the Ford, the 4x4. Uh, but yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. For this video, I mean, do y'all want more content, or this channel is basically just a backup channel? Main channel is called JC Fresh. Good old boy outdoor is basically just the outdoor channel. But anyways, here we go. This videos are about to get more serious and stuff. So I'll see y'all later. Peace. Love y'all.